I'm going to pull the fire alarm at hotels.com as a prank. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, Auntie Abuela, what's with the fire alarm going off?
Yeah. Why is the fire alarm going off in hotels.com?
There's probably some smoke in this hotel. We need to get out of hotels.com right now, and we need to take the stairs downstairs and get out, pronto.
Hey, what's going on? Why is the fire alarm going off?
I think maybe there is fire in hotels.com. Oh, and we should not take the elevators. We should use the stair. Well, let's go.
At Classic Caillou's house.
So, Classic Caillou, how's your day today?
It was good, Mum and Dad.
I'm glad to hear it, Classic Caillou.
Hello, Boris speaking.
Hello, Boris. This is Hotels.com hotel manager Weusode speaking, and I'm calling about your son Classic Caillou.
You're calling about our son Classic Caillou. What did he do this time?
We just checked the hotel security camera footage. It got your son pulling the fire alarm at our Hotels.com hotel, and as for that, you and your wife will be fined $5,000 because of your son pulling the fire alarm at Hotels.com. I expect that to be paid within 4 weeks. Goodbye, and have a good day.
Classic Caillou did what? We're fined $5,000? Oh my god, he's so grounded. Thank you for telling me about this.
Who was it on the phone, Boris?
It was the hotel manager at Hotels.com. The security camera footage caught him putting the fire alarm at their hotel, and we're now fined $5,000, and we have to pay within 4 weeks.
What? Oh my god, Classic Caillou! We can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at Hotels.com. You're absolutely not allowed to that at all.
I agree with your mother, and thanks to you, we're now fined $5,000, and we have to pay the fine within 4 weeks. That's it, you're grounded.
Go back to your dungeon right now.